Dear Cheri, can you cook with tinctures? It seems to me that this would be a very easy way to make cannabis edibles, but I never see anybody talking about it. Am I missing something? No, you're not missing anything. You're right. Tinctures can be a very easy way to make edibles. Before I get to the longer answer, I just want to remind everybody, hit that YouTube subscribe button and notification bell because I try to upload new videos every Wednesday. Okay, can you cook with cannabis tinctures? You absolutely can, and that is a very easy way to make cannabis edibles. You just put whatever dose you want into whatever you're cooking. If you were making a batter or some sort of sauce or mixture, you could just put in your tincture. Tinctures are also a great way to medicate all kind of foods very quickly, easily, and discreetly on the fly. For instance, you can put a few drops of tincture into your coffee, into your tea, into your soft drink, into your cocktail for that matter. It doesn't matter. They're really great for putting into drinks. You could also put them into things, pretty much anything, soups, salads, cereals, and milk, all kind of foods. Just add a little bit of tincture and you can have instantly turn that food into an edible. Now, I've talked about this in other videos. If it's a fat-free food, like if you're putting it into your iced tea with lemon, then you may want to consume it along with something else that contains fat, because cannabinoids bind to fats best, and I think you'll get a better effect out of the edible. But yes, you absolutely can cook with tinctures. Of course, don't forget, you can also use tinctures sublingually too. You don't have to make edibles out of them. So that means you're just going to place a few drops under your tongue. Now, the effects of mixing your tincture into a food and eating that and digesting that is going to affect you like an edible. It's going to take longer for that to come on, and the effects will last longer. Sublingually, the effects come on much faster, not quite as fast as smoking or vaping, but definitely faster than an edible. They may or may not last as long, but if you need quick relief, then sublingual is the way to go. But if you're just looking for a down and dirty, quick and easy way to make some edibles, you absolutely can use cannabis tinctures to do so. Hope this helps. See you next time. Eat your weed.